Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notification about the latest updates. Hey there digital friends, in this video I am going to show you how to solve a common error, that is screen overlay issue. This is different for different Android versions. In Android 6, that is the screen overlay issue. In Android 7, we cannot install the apps. To begin, we need to download the install button unlocker and give its accessibility permissions. Click on the switch and click on OK. Now we need to check whether this app is working or not. So head over to the install button unlocker and click on permission. Now let us check we can give storage permissions or not. Yes, we can click on the allow button without even getting the screen overlay issue. Let us check whether this is solved in Android 7 or not. Go to apps and click on install. Yes, we can also click on the install button in this Android 7. That's all for the video guys, and goodbye.